The question is apply the reduction formula for integration of cosec to the power nx dx to find integration of cosec to the power 6x under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 with respect to x. Let us try to solve this question. We have to find the value of integration of cosec to the power 6x under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 with respect to x. We know that the reduction formula of cosec integration of cosec to the power nx dx is given by integration of cosec to the power nx dx, which is equal to minus cosec to the power n minus 2x into cot x upon n minus 1 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 integration of cosec to the power n minus 2x dx. Now, this reduction formula is for the indefinite integral. So let us try to find out, or let us try to establish the reduction formula when the limit is from pi by 4 to pi by 2 of cosec to the power nx dx. Taking the limit as x is equal to pi by 4 to x is equal to pi by 2, then we have in, let us consider this in is equal to 0 integration of cosec to the power nx dx under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2, which is given by minus cosec to the power n minus 2x into cot x divided by n minus 1 under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 integration of cosec to the power n minus 2x under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2. So now we have just substitute the limit and we use the reduction formula for of cosec to the power integration of cosec to the power nx dx. Now let us simplify this term. We want to simplify this term. So we put the upper limit and lower limit and let us calculate its value. So let us just first take 1 upon n minus 1 outside. Now if you put pi by 2, so cosec to the power n minus 2 minus cosec to the power n minus 2, x is pi by 2 into cot pi by 2 plus cosec to the power n minus 2 lower limit pi by 4 into cot pi by 4. Now plus in minus 2 upon n minus 1 into in minus 2 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 into in minus 2. Now we know that cosec pi by 2 is 1 upon sine pi by 2 or 1 upon sine 90, which is equal to 1. Cot pi by 2 is cos pi by 2 upon sine pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0, sine pi by 2 is 1. So 0 upon 1 is 0. So its value is 1 into 0 is 0. The first part is 0. Second part is cosec pi by 4. So we know that sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. So cosec pi by 4 is root 2. So root 2 to the power n minus 2 into cot pi by 4 means cot 45 is 1. So let us try to simplify it. This is cosec pi by 2 is 1 to the power n minus 2 into 0 minus of minus root 2 to the power n minus 2 into 1 and plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 in minus 2. And if we simplify it, this will become 0. This minus and minus will become plus and root 2 to the power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 into in minus 2. It can be written as root 2 to the power n minus 2 upon n minus 1 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 into in minus 2. This is the reduction formula for cosec to the integration of cosec to the power nx under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 with respect to x, and which is given by root 2 to the power n minus 2 upon n minus 1 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 integration under the limit. This is pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 of cosec to the power n minus 2 x with respect to x, or it can be simply written as in is equal to root 2 to the power n minus 2 upon n minus 1 plus root n minus 2 upon n minus 1 into in minus 2. So this is the reduction formula of cosec to the power nx with respect when the limit is lying between x equal to pi by 4 to x equal to pi by 2. Now our aim is to find out the value of this in when n equal to 6. So let us put n equal to 6. Now we have to find the value of integration of cosec to the power 6x under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 with respect to x. So we know that in is equal to root 2 to the power n minus 2 upon n minus 1 plus n minus 2 upon n minus 1 into in minus 2. Let us substitute n is equal to 6, then 4, then 2. We have, let us first put n equal to 6. So this is I6 root 2 to the power 6 minus 2 upon 6 minus 1. 6 minus 2 upon 6 minus 1 into I6 minus 2. So this 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. So root 2 to the power 4 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 into I4. And root 2 to the power 4 is root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. And again root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 2 is 4. So this gives us 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 I4. Let us give it equation number 3. So this is the value of I6 when we put n equal to 6. Now we want to calculate the value of I4. So for this purpose, we put n equal to 4 in the equation number 2. So what is I4? I4 is root 2 to the power 4 minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 into I4 minus 2, which gives us root 2 to the power 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into I2, and root 2 into root 2 is again 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 I2. So now this is the value of I4, but again still I2 is unknown over here. So we have to calculate the value of I2 by putting in equation number 2 n equal to 2. So we have to put I2 is equal to n equal to 2. We have I2 is equal to root 2 to the power 2 minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 into I2 minus 2. So root 2 to the power 2 minus 2 is root 2 to the power 0 upon 1 plus 0 upon 1 into I0. But we know that something has power 0 is 1, so 1 upon 1. So it is 1, and this is 0 into I0 is 0. So the value of I2 is 1. Now we have to substitute the value of reverse substitution. We have to put the value of I2 over here. It is nothing but 1. So this is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Let us put over here. What is I6? I6 is 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 I4. Now we have to put the value of I4. It is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 I2. And if we open the bracket, it is 4 by 5 plus 8 by 15 plus 8 by 15 into I2, but I2 is equal to 1. So we have 4 by 5 plus 8 by 15 plus 8 by 15, which is equal to 12 plus 8 upon 15, which gives us 28 upon 15. Hence, I6, which is equal to cosec to the power 6x, integration of cosec to the power 6x under the limit pi by 4 to pi by 2 with respect to x is 28 by 15. So this is the desired result. Thank you.